Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sharik, your host. Today's session I will cover how to create user and how to create user password in Linux and how to switch user to root and how to switch root to user. So guys, in this session I will cover all of this. So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's begin. We need, if you are logging as a root, you just need to type user add user add and username. So I will type my username. So yes, just press enter. Once you will press enter, user is created. So user is created now. User add command is user add and username. So I need to check how to create user password. So user create password command is passwd and the username. Then and just press enter. Once you will press enter, the changing password for user says it will be appeared. Just you need to type the password and you need to again type the password. So guys, this is the process to create user in Linux and create password to user. So I will tell you how to switch user in Linux. Switching command is su. And if you want to switch as a user, SYED just enter. So you are now login to your new created user. If you want to switch to a root directory, root user as a root user, so just need to type root then enter, and it will be asked the password. So I will press the password, type the password, so you can check. Finally you are logged to root. So finally you are logged into root, and I have this tell you, I have first thing what I have covered how to create user in Linux, how to create user password in Linux, how to switch user in Linux. This is the, so guys, this is the process to create user and switch user and get password for the user. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.